What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It has been a minute since we saw you guys, and we are so sorry about that. It has absolutely been crazy. Today, Kelton's here to pick us up, and we got big news. Big news coming your guys' way, and for the channel. Well, look, there he is. Winter beater. What's going on, buddy?
Not much, you?
Winter beater life, hey?
Winter beater.
You betcha.
Welcome to the new shop truck.
New shop truck. So today we're gonna head out to the shop, and we got a big reveal surprise.
Yeah.
We're gonna go over.
Let's just say Christmas was good to you.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
So let's head to the shop. All right, guys. So we're almost to the shop, and on the way to the shop, we just decided to go to Mexico.
Yeah.
And we just want to see what the shop truck could do.
Yeah. See, well, I mean, it's got to pass its test, right?
Well, exactly. So might get a little windy here, but let's see what the shop truck can do.
I think it does all right.
It does all right, I guess. Anyhow, I don't know. I'm pretty excited to show this.
Yeah, it's
this surprise to you guys.
It's been sitting in the shop for a month, maybe now.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. It's definitely a bucket list check off for me.
It is. Yeah, it'll be a good project.
Yeah. All right, guys. The surprise is literally like right around the corner.
It sure is. A couple minutes away.
Bale truck! Nah, just kidding. But it is right behind the shop doors.
Right behind here.
So I've waited for this for probably like 25 years of my life. And we finally got one.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
You finally
got it. I finally got it.
I know this is a huge deal to you.
Yes.
Myself, not so much, but hey, respect each other's builds, right? But no, I'm excited for you because this is something that is been on your bucket list for a while.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see it done.
Me neither. I'm excited.
Actually, I can't wait to get started on it.
Yeah, me too. And you guys are coming for the journey with it.
Exactly.
So I'm even more excited to introduce to the channel and for you guys to follow along the build. So, well, should we show them?
Stop procrastinating and let's get at it.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So it's windy as usual. What else is new? Not much snow.
Not terrible.
No.
If it wasn't for the wind, it would be a lot colder, I think.
Yeah. Should we show them?
Are they ready to see it though? Is that the question?
I don't know. Are you?
I think just do it.
Alrighty, here it is, guys. 1st Jan, baby. Time to start building. Time to start building. All original. I put a little work into it before you guys got to see it. Tinted some windows. I know it's dirty. Put that on. We put some exhaust on, but we test fitted it, and I really don't like it, so we've got to fix some leaks. But there it is, guys. I'm super stoked about it.
I'm super happy that you have it. And
Can you tell by the smile on my face?
literally, he hasn't stopped smiling for about a month.
Yeah, and I was really excited to show you guys and introduce this to the channel, and should be a fun build. All right, guys, so this is a 93 W250 Dodge, Cummins with the 12 valve. It's got the 5-speed transmission. It's got a 293, just over 293,000 kilometers on it. I can't do the conversion for the US guys, but this my grandfather bought new in 1993, and he finally said, "Do you want first crack at buying it, Tyler?" And I said, "Well, it's been a dream truck of mine, so yeah, I'm gonna buy it." So it's been in the works for a little bit. All right, guys, so this truck's special to me. By all means, it's no show truck.
No, not yet.
It's an Alberta truck, so there is some rust on it. What else?
I mean, yeah, it's not 100% by no means, but for the year, being an Alberta truck,
Yeah.
being original,
Yeah.
it's not half-ass bad
No.
for a good start to a wicked project.
Yeah, it's a good platform for sure.
Yeah.
So, seen the truck. It's time to tear it down.
Sure is.
So we're gonna want your guys' help on this one. I have what I think we're gonna do in mind, but we want to hear what you guys have in thought, and let's start tearing apart and get this thing done.
Exactly. Now you guys have seen the truck, the platform, everything that is possibly. I think we've shown everything on the truck now.
Pretty much.
Now, yeah, like Ty said, time to tear it down, build it. Let's get ready for the summertime.
You betcha. Make sure you shop Royalty ACC. We're out.
Yeah. Have a good day, guys. Peace.